Is native to Daintree rainforest, so it's not. I know people are growing it all over the place now, but the actual tree is called the black palm, which is in, I think, one of those books. I'm not sure. A little bit of information. So the black palm is native to Daintree, and when we make a basket or when we take anything from country, everything of that plant is used. So this is the top, the green part of the top of the trunk, that just before the leaves start. So at that, once you cut that tree down, you can strip away the fibres, and the fibres are very, very strong. So, and they really hold their weight. As you know, baskets are used for carrying things and storing things. At the moment, Easter egg hunting. Probably not traditionally, but so for carrying babies. So depended on the size and the strength of the basket, it was for transportation and storage.